Please install the propellers in correspondence with Propeller A and Propeller B, as shown above. Every propeller has indicated alphabet A and B. Loosen the screw to remove the propeller. Fit the spare propeller into the drone. Tighten the screw. If the propeller is incorrectly installed, the drone will fail to take off. Please always use the USB cables provided to charge the battery. The red indicator lights up while charging. The green light will turn on when the charge is complete. Full charge time is about 150 minutes.